Hey guys, another day, another video. So here we have another microwave that's not working properly. Well, everything works fine with it. You can set up the time, you can start work, everything works. But it doesn't open the cover, or the lid, or the doors, whatever you call those. See, the button is broken. You can't open it. So I'm gonna try to fix it, and we'll open it and see what's behind the button and what's the mechanism to operate the doors. Maybe I can fix it. So, to open the lid, as the other one, you just open these screws. They're Phillips, but the back is Torx with the pin inside. Well, let's open up and see. Okay guys, I opened up the microwave cover, and what I can see from the top here, hope you can see this. This is the button that when you press, it moves the pin in and out, right? And then I see this stuff here that's fallen off from, you can see here, this is sort of a lever that activates this pin here. So when you press the pin, it pushes this one out, and well, no, actually it's standing this way, and the pin pushes on this side, and this way it's pushing the lever. This one, it's pushing up, and when you push it up, oh, the door opens. Let's try one more time. Okay, so what we have is see this little pin here? There's supposed to be one like that on the other side, but it's broken off. You can see inside there see where it needs to go, in this little hole. Yeah, so those two pins are holding, so one is here, one is on the other side. It's holding this lever. It's holding this lever in place so that you can operate the button and the lever. So I'll try to show you how it's supposed to go in. So one is here, other one is on the other side. When you press, see, it goes up and pushes on this lever, and then it activates this micro switch here. I'll try to show you. Okay, I can see. What's the deal with this? And this micro switch. See that? That's the problem. Probably you can find a spare part of this one, but this is gonna be like half of the whole microwave. So I'm gonna try to fix it by either I'm probably gonna drill a hole here and put like aluminum rivet so that it sticks out the same as this one, and we'll see if it helps. So I'll be using 3mm drill bit to drill out this pinhole, and I'm gonna put in some threaded screw all the way to the other side and stick it out like this so that hopefully it's gonna hold the weight of the lever. So now I have the first hole, but what I would like to do is make another one on the other side so that screw goes in all the way through this one and holds in this side as well, so that it's a more rigid construction. So there we have. So I used this screw here and drilled all the way in to hold in this plastic piece and put the wire nut just in case. So I cut off the extra length of the screw just to have the same length, about the same length on both sides, and probably I can fit it in. So what I'm gonna do is just put the screw side further and first in, and on this side you can see that there's a, well, I hope you can see this. For this, there's like a notch that you can slide this part in, but I'm just gonna put a little bit extra force, just bend this thing a little bit back so that it doesn't break on me. Okay, it's in. Now let's push this button here. Voila. Works like a charm. Thank you. Hope this will help someone. So, set up the time here. It's about 10:15. And we can open up the microwave. Works fine. Well, it was an easy fix, I would say. Thank you.